Today I'm reviewing the Soothe Effect Knee Replacement Recovery Kit. This is amazing for all non-operative and operative knee conditions, such as an ACL, a meniscus tear, or any type of repair you've had on your knee. It comes with extensive directions so you know exactly what to do. Inside the box comes your foot sleeve, your user guide, a carry pouch, your non-elastic strap, 4 loop straps, and a dynamic tension bands. Now, I had knee surgery and my biggest obstacle was getting back my flexibility. And I have my trusty assistant with me. Now, it was super easy to put the foot sleeve on and comes with a strap to keep it in place. This was perfect for at-home physical therapy and essential for post-therapy. The knee stretcher is a must-have for post-surgery recovery. It provides the necessary support and exercises to help you regain mobility, reduce knee pain, and get back up on your feet quicker. The benefits of using the knee stretcher is for range of motion improvement, muscle strengthening, stretching knees, hips, glutes, and hamstrings, joint stability, reducing swelling and inflammation, and fast recovery. If it's still too soon to lay down and do your exercises, you can do chair exercises. And best of all, it has a convenient carrying case so you can use it on the go. I highly recommend this for knee recovery.